Welcome Farron's Quiz Answer Lock YouTube channel. Welcome to our exciting New Year's history quiz. From ancient traditions to modern celebrations, test your knowledge about New Year's customs worldwide. Challenge yourself, learn something new, and ring in the past with fun facts and festive trivia. Question 1. The first New Year's Eve ball drop in Times Square happened in which year? A. 1900. B. 1907. C. 1920. D. 1935. Correct answer, B. 1907. Explanation. The first Times Square ball drop took place in 1907 and has been an annual tradition ever since. Question 2. What is the name of the Jewish New Year? A. Yom Kippur. B. Hanukkah. C. Rosh Hashanah. D. Passover. Correct answer, C. Rosh Hashanah. Explanation. Rosh Hashanah marks the beginning of the Jewish New Year and involves prayer, reflection, and the blowing of the shofar, ram's horn. Question 3. Which famous landmark in Paris is illuminated with fireworks on New Year's Eve? A. Notre Dame Cathedral. B. The Louvre. C. Eiffel Tower. D. Arc de Triomphe. Correct answer, C. Eiffel Tower. Explanation. The Eiffel Tower lights up with fireworks and a spectacular light show to welcome the new year. Question 4. In ancient Rome, which festival marked the end of the calendar year? A. Lupercalia. B. Saturnalia. C. Floralia. D. Bacchanalia. Correct answer, B. Saturnalia. Explanation. Saturnalia was a festival honoring Saturn, featuring feasting, gift-giving, and the suspension of social norms. Question 5. What color is traditionally associated with good luck in China during New Year celebrations? A. Blue. B. Gold. C. Red. D. White. Correct answer, C. Red. Explanation. Red symbolizes good luck, happiness, and prosperity during Chinese New Year celebrations. Question 6. Which U.S. city drops a giant potato on New Year's Eve? A. Boise, Idaho. B. Denver, Colorado. C. Austin, Texas. D. Portland, Oregon. Correct answer, Boise, Idaho. Explanation. Boise celebrates New Year's Eve with the Idaho potato drop, reflecting the state's famous potato industry. Question 7. Which country celebrates New Year with the tradition of jumping off chairs at midnight? A. Denmark. B. Sweden. C. Finland. D. Norway. Correct answer, A. Denmark. Explanation. In Denmark, jumping off a chair at midnight is believed to banish bad spirits and bring good luck. Question 8. What year did England and Wales adopt the Gregorian calendar? A. 1582. B. 1600. C. 1700. D. 1752. Correct answer, D. 1752. Explanation. England and Wales officially switched to the Gregorian calendar in 1752, aligning with most of Europe. Question 9. Which animal represents the Chinese New Year in 2024? A. Tiger. B. Dragon. C. Rabbit. D. Horse. Correct answer, B. Dragon. Explanation. The year 2024 is the year of the dragon in the Chinese zodiac, symbolizing strength and courage. Question 10. What ancient civilization first used the term January to describe the first month? A. Babylonians. B. Egyptians. C. Romans. D. Greeks. Correct answer, C. Romans. Explanation. The Romans named January after Janus, the god of beginnings and transitions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through New Year's history. May the new year bring you joy, prosperity, and unforgettable memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.